Hong Kong, what an awesome place. Well known for shopping and eating. 买东西,吃东西. But Hong Kong is much more than that. Today, I will share with you my awesome hike to Dragon's Back and beautiful Big Wave Bay. I started my day early. First, my very yummy breakfast at local Cha Chanting Denmark Cafe. It's just a few minutes walk from my hotel at Burlington, Wan Chai. You can watch my other video on my Hong Kong hotels review. I will leave the link in the description box below. Next, I took MTR from Wan Chai Station to Sao Kay Wan Station, exit A2 for bus terminal. I need to take bus number 9 for Sec O. After around 20 minutes bus ride, we arrived at To Tei Wan, Sec O Road, Hong Kong Trail, Dragon's Back. This is not my first time visiting Dragon's Back and I'm still very excited and happy. The trail is not super difficult, but there are lots of steps. For me, I will wear proper shoes and bring lots of water. If you love nature and hiking, I will highly recommend Dragon's Back Hike. Very beautiful, really must visit. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching my awesome Hong Kong holiday. If you like this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and share it with your families and friends. Again, thank you so much and join me again next time for more yummy food and travel. Thank you. Bye-bye.